Ladies and gentlemen, we have a 2017 GMC Yukon SLE. Super nice vehicle right here. Tons of room on the inside, very sharp looking. Also these massive 22-inch chrome rims look awesome. Bridgestone Dueler tires, top of the line for factory tire. There's the back seat, very spacious. This camera doesn't do it justice. Tons of room though. Rear climate control. There's third row seating right back there. Very sporty front interior as well. There's the front seats, seat controls, steering wheel controls, premium screen with backup camera, climate control, auxiliary ports, OnStar ready as well. There's the Bose stereo system right there. There's the engine, 5.3 liter Vortec V8. Tons of power, 355 horsepower, active fuel management, as well as being wonderful on gas for being such a big engine with a lot of power. So there you have it, folks, the 2017 GMC Yukon SLE.